Okay, I started it.
Hello, my name's Lucas. We're playing the cars. Watch this. Isn't that awesome?
On your mark, get set, go!
And plus the other car what I got. Now, it's just staying there. Now, keep it still.
How come you didn't go to school today, Lucas?
Because it was too rainy, so we can stay home and play.
Oh. Okay.
This is my brother Caleb, and we have a safety place when we don't want to play with the cars. And we can bounce it somewhere, like right here. It's bouncing.
Okay, why don't you say goodbye?
I'll see you when my mommy takes another video. Bye bye.